Welcome to the first of a series of short videos demonstrating the speed and power of our new digit management system. Digits, short for data widgets, are a new kind of data object we invented that can do some powerful things. This video is a quick introduction to our system and our administration tool. This is the browser. It is a Windows application that calls our API and shows the data in our containers. Containers are logical pools of blocks in which digits are stored. Each container is a member of a domain. In this particular demonstration, we have two separate domains, a work domain and a home domain. In our work domain, we have two containers, Demo 1 and Demo 2. In the home, we have just one container, Demo 3. The containers the digit browser loads at startup is determined by a file called containers.json. This is just a JSON file in the same directory as the executable itself. It's a JSON file that defines the domains, the containers that are in each domain, and their names. In the same directory, we have a couple other containers. This one only has two containers in a single domain, and the other one has 5 containers across 3 separate domains. Depending on which one we had copied to be the containers.json would be the one that determines which containers and domains are loaded at startup. So once the browser is running, we can come in and create new containers or new domains from the menu bar. We can create or destroy any given domain or a container. So just come here and create a container. Call this one Demo 4. Give it a size, make it a type file. And create it. And there's our new container. It automatically adds it to the containers.json file. Right now, the destroy does not take it out of the file, so even though it'll disappear from the browser, it would reappear if you restarted the browser. We're working on trying to get it destroyed from the container as well. Each of these containers is essentially a virtual disk within the host file system. We can see them in File Manager. So here are the containers that we have created in our domains. If we want to start over, we can just delete the container file when the browser is not running, and it will recreate it as an empty container on startup. Every time a new container is created, the browser will populate it with a set of digits described by JSON files located under the config folder. Using this technique, you can make sure that every container has the tag definitions, the queries, the data file formats, the databases, and other things you want without having to create them manually. Once we have the containers we want, we can begin using them with the browser. The browser has a set of tabs that will let you see the contents of the selected container and add new digits. The first 4 tabs, Create, Query, Status, and Sync, deal with the container as a whole. The other tabs each deal with a specific kind of digit within the container. You can configure the browser to only show the tabs you are interested in from the Tools menu. You can select which tabs you want to see at startup. That concludes the introduction. Check out our other videos that each explain how to do a specific task using this new powerful system.